everyone and welcome to Era Tutorials. I am Aarti Naik and today I am going to teach you class 7 subject English unit 2 topic 2.3 Abdul becomes a courtier. Let us start with the lesson 2.3 Abdul becomes a courtier. Now this is a play. In that first scene is father who is a schoolmaster is getting ready to the school. Now Abdul is saying something to father. Abdul says, "Father, to knowledge and erudition I aspire, to study hard and deep. Books I require. Will you lend me a little gold? Books I will buy and study to rise high in the world." Father, only the first half of the month has passed, but alas, the money doesn't last. Great books and manuscripts are so expensive. They are treasures, rare and exclusive. But from my school, I will try to borrow books that will take you to the brighter tomorrow. So here you can see this is a play in which maximum things are in rhyme. Abdul says, "That will be great. How eagerly I await." In the evening, when father returns, Abdul says, "How many books could you get?" "Oh, now my life will be all set." "Father, I'm so sorry, son. Couldn't lay my hands on even one." Now here in between the play chorus is there. Poor Abdul is sad and dejected, ponders, "Why my wishes are thus rejected." Continue to do his daily course, read borrowed books in 10 and scores. Scores means set of 20. An idea then crosses his mind to serve the rich and get paid in kind. So he decided to work for a rich person so he will get some money and with that money he can buy the books. Abdul approaches a rich merchant. Abdul says, "I am a poor student. Give me a chance to serve. Observe my work. Pay only what I deserve." Merchant says, "You appears to be smart. Be my clerk. I will pay you well if honestly you work." Some days pass. The merchant calls Abdul. Merchant says, "I am pleased with your work and the loving care. You are indeed a gem quite rare. I will give you a reward if your demand is fair. Abdul says very excitedly, May I now read the books in your store? Quench my thirst for knowledge. I need nothing more." So Abdul said that actually he want nothing. He don't want any money from the merchant, but he only want a permission from merchant so that he can read all the books which merchant is having. Again chorus. Days passed by, he learned and learned, gaining the knowledge for which he earned philosophy, astronomy, Arabic and Persian. Abdul the scholar now is one in a million. Will he come to the emperor's notice? Will he be given the honorable office? So now actually that was the dream of the Abdul. He want to become a courtier of the king. Friend says, "News for you, Abdul. The emperor has answered your prayer. The royal Murgi Khana is now under your care." Abdul says, "What? The Murgi Khana for me? A scholar? Intellectual, sagacious, astute, made me a poultry keeper? Never mind. The chance I won't refuse. It is an opportunity. I will put it to good use." Okay. Now here clerk means a person who keep the record. Quench means to satisfy. Office means a position, responsibility. Prayer is here, it means a request. Then sagacious means wise. Then astute means intelligent, one who knows how to use the situation to his advantage. Now, chorus. Abdul worked with conviction, zeal, and passion. The hands were given a new kind of ration. The bird seems to be in the pink of health, but nothing was spent from the emperor's wealth. Emperor says, how is that? Why are we spending so little on our hands? Have most of them died in the pains? Minister says, no, no, your majesty, they are alive and well. The secret of their health only Abdul can tell. Abdul enters and bows before the emperor. Emperor. Emperor says, how come you spend so little on our hands? How did you nourish them at no expenses? Abdul says, Jahapana, your humble servant feeds them well. Food from the royal kitchen, if I may tell, but only the scraps and shells and kitchen waste, that's enough for the hens. They relish the taste, it's good for their health. See how they thrive. Waste not, want not, that is my drive. Emperor says, interesting. Interesting, young man. You seems to have brains. We put you in charge of the library for all your pains. Chorus. Oh no, not again. Only a keeper of books. And he wished to be a courtier. How sad he looks. But Abdul said, never mind. I love books. I will get down to work. I will handle this well, my duties. I won't sting. Zeal means enthusiasm. To be in the pink means to be fit and fine. Passion means great feeling. Drive means an effort made to achieve the certain purpose. Brain means intelligence and shrink means avoid. That means Abdul is saying, let it be. Whatever work is given by the emperor, I am not going to avoid it, but I will do it all by my heart. After 1 year, the emperor is looking at the books in the library. Emperor, what? All these books have such expensive jackets. Surely they have cost a fortune. Silk, brocades, and velvets. Abdul says, no, your majesty, the expenses were none. Emperor, I can't believe it. Then how was it done? Abdul says, your majesty, I observe that the formal requests were sent to you in bags made of the fabric best. Then the papers were read, the bags were discarded. Why waste the silk velvet brocade? I demanded the royal tailors made the jackets. Nothing did they take. Each book was dressed for your majesty's sake. That means what Abdul did, as now Abdul is working as a librarian, bookkeeper, okay. So what he did, whatever king used to send here, all the papers and everything, he used to send in a cloth bags made of silk, brocade and velvet. So after removing that paper, that bags were going to the waste. But what Abdul did, Abdul requests the royal tailors to make a cover to the book, that is expensive jacket. Emperor says, you have great merit. I had realized much earlier. I am happy to announce now you are my courtier. Chorus. Wits, brain and perseverance helped Abdul achieve his aim. Patience, determination won him great name and fame. So this is about all the story of Abdul, that how Abdul become a courtier. Okay. Now here brocade means it is a type of rich fabric woven with golden or silver thread. Now papers are the official documents. Won him name and fame, that means he become the famous person now. So finally whatever Abdul was having dream, his dream become fulfilled, and this becomes only because of his hard work. His and he keep on believing in himself. So I hope that everybody might have understood this story. If you have any difficulty, do write in comment box and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.